Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako si Vilma, isa akong mentor at nandito ako sa BUMP ngayon at kasama ko ngayon si Coach Tina. Ito po.
Hello po. Magandang hapon.
Coach Tina, taga saan ka ba at bakit ka napapunta sa business na ito?
Yes. I'm originally from Cebu, Philippines, but I now live in Florida, USA. And I'm a registered nurse by profession. So when I found this business, I was actually looking for an online job. So I wasn't actually looking for a business. But later on, I realized I actually got an online job. I'm a certified nurse auditor, which what I do for that is I review medical charts. So I work online, work from home, only to find out that I was working long hours. The pay was good, but I was again trading my time for money. So when I learned of the business opportunity, I jumped in, and the rest is history.
And Coach, ito bang business na ito ay para sa lahat?
I would say if you really like portability, if you want time and location freedom, it's good to check out. But again, there's training, there's mentoring, which is very doable for anyone, any background. Actually, I'm a nurse, and so I'm not very tech savvy. It anyone can do it, but not everyone will do it. Let me just say that.
At ito bang business na ito ay legit?
Of course, yes, it's tax registered. I will never put my name to something that's not legit because I do have a license, and of course, my belief in God, I will not trade that for anything. So yes, it's tax registered, it's legitimate, it's legal.
Ang lahat bang ng tao na hindi tech savvy ay pwedeng mag-run ng business na ito?
My answer to that is it depends upon you. It's all on you. If you want to make it work, it will work because the training is step by step, video based, and you have your own mentor and coach. You will have all you need to get you started, thriving, growing. But if you think you cannot do it, it's all up to you again. But if you are open to mentoring and coaching and you have big reasons to start this, yes, you can do it. I'm thriving, so yeah.
Okay. Nag-e-enjoy ka ba nang kumikita ka na nagta-travel ka ng pareho ng ganito?
Oh my goodness, what a question. Yes, of course. I love to travel, and my husband and I used to travel before while I was still working at the hospital. But my problem back then was I come home to bills. Now I prepay my vacation. Actually, I'm traveling. We are traveling and doing business on the side right now. So it's a perfect mix for anyone wanting to, see the world.
Maraming salamat Coach Tina. At kung gusto niyo makita kung ano ang business na aming ginagawa, bisitahin mo lang ang aking website sa www.vilmaib.com at isesend ko sa iyo ang lahat ng information kailangan mo. Maraming salamat. God bless.
You're welcome,
Bye-bye.
and connect with Vilma. She's a very good mentor, and you will thrive here. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.